Yes. Karibu tena kwenye YouTube channel. A lot has happened kwa sport week since we were here. Midweek fixtures, the Premier League, FA Cup draw, Champions League is ongoing. Na to help me dig into them, tuko na Edgar na Kenya hapa. Edgar,
Yes.
the last time we were here Aston Villa ilikuwa inaenda, ulikuwa unaogopa Aston Villa?
Sikuwa nimeogopa Aston Villa. I knew that game we will win. Since tulikuwa tumelose ile Arsenal, that was a must-win game and I'm happy that we won. Yes.
That 4-1
Yeah.
ulianza, waliwafunga nikajua hapa
Eh,
top 4 imebamba.
yeah, game ilianza na pressure, little mistake there from our defense, then we conceded first. But I think the boys kept on going. Yeah, and at least by halftime we were 2 goals up. Then by full time, Joao Pedro scored a hat trick. So that was a good game of football.
Huyo Yao Pedro
Yes.
anatesa hat-trick
Sana.
of the new signings sahii kwa Premier League, yeye ndiye top scorer.
Yeah, I think there has been some sort of an improvement since the new coach came in regarding Joao Pedro. He's scoring more goals. He's getting into better position of scoring goals. He's making assists. So generally, his game has improved since the new coach came in.
Rosinia said if you talk about Haaland and Ken,
Yeah.
you have to talk about Joao Pedro.
Yes, of course, Haaland and Ken they are prolific strikers. And also, Joao Pedro is not far from them, given that he has that technical ability. He has that scoring ability to score goals, a lot of goals. Yeah, so you can't discredit that. Yeah.
Ken,
Yes.
Brighton,
Yeah.
it was a tough game. Ulionaje from your perspective?
Personally, I was looking forward to a tough match. Brighton ni top 3 teams zenye najua zinacheza football ya kupossess. Man City, Arsenal na Brighton. Na actually ukiangalia Brighton hata most of games zenye tunacheza huwa wanatulemea hadi kupossess. So what we did, wamekuwa wakisema that tumekuwa tukicheza beautiful football without results. All we care about right now is to score goals, vyetu bao zitaingia na to win game zetu. At the end of the day, titles zina matter kuliko good football.
Brighton manager talked about how Arsenal has been playing.
I think hiyo ilikuwa ni lame excuses alikuwa tu anajaribu kuplace. Juu kitoka kwa zile teams zimefunga bao mingi season, Arsenal iko top of the list. Arsenal na Man City ndio ziko top of that list. Now, Brighton ukisema kama hiyo game tungesema ni ku approach na tucheze na style yao, wangetuumiza. So nowadays if you happen to meet a team that plays possessing football, the best you can do is to try and counter them. Like you try and play opposite of how that team is playing, and that is exactly what we did. We were quick, we went and got our goal. Then from there we defended so well, and at the end of the day we got 3 points, and it ended so well on our side.
Well, you have said it's Arsenal is one of the team yenye wamefunga bao mingi. That's I think 101. I was coming to that in the FA Cup. Before then kuna Nottingham Forest na Manchester City. Hiyo title race venye iko, City wakadrop 2 points.
Actually, I saw that coming. I remember when we were reviewing that match, I said that if Man City got a win, haingekuwa rahisi. Nilikuwa nimepredict that haingekuwa rahisi kwa Man City kuwin hiyo game. Juu saa hizi teams zinafaitia kutoka relegation, zina fight ama zina press tu kama zenye bado zina fight kuendea trophy. Plus we all know that EPL is not an easy league. Every team is competing to win. Every team wants to collect points. So it's a game at a time. Kila game una count venye points una count na venye tu games zinaenda. You can't like presume ati umeendea, uwezi anza count points before you win a game.
Edgar, kuna there was a moment called Osula moment.
Yes.
We are talking about the top 4 race.
Yeah.
And Newcastle walikuwa na Osula moment against Manchester United.
Yes.
Na nyinyi mlikuwa mnacheza na another top 4 candidate
Yes.
Villa.
Yes. Yeah, that Man United dropped points, right?
Yes, they lost to Newcastle.
Yeah, and they're ahead of Chelsea with I think 3 points, and also Liverpool 3 points. So that was a good moment for, especially for Newcastle. They've been losing a lot, especially at home. So at least they tried their best, even when they were a man down. They played their best football, and they were rewarded at the end of the day. Yeah. So it was that Osula goal was a reward for their effort that they did in that game, despite being a man down. So congrats to Newcastle. Yes.
Then on the same,
Mhm.
after that tukakuwa na FA Cup.
Yeah.
Did you know that your Chelsea ilicheza against a Kenyan defender? Against Kenyan defender midfielder.
Kenyan defender midfielder.
Hapo Wexham. Aliwaleta
Okay.
mpaka akawapeleka extra time. What's your take on how you played against Wexham?
We played a good game. It was a good fight, by the way. Wrexham, they pushed us to the limit. We didn't start with our strong starting 11, but at the end we had to introduce in João Pedro to help us a bit here and there. And when you see we went up to extra time, though we didn't reach penalties, but we scored 2 goals in extra time. So it was a good game. They gave a good fight, and I hope they get promoted to the Premier League. Yes.
I was told mlisaini Kanacho kwa sababu ya such moments.
Yeah.
Yeye ndiye I think aliwapush kwa Carabao mpaka kwenye mlifika. I remember scoring 2 against Arsenal.
Yeah.
And then pia yeye ndiye hapa his moment ilileti to a red and then akafunga bao in extra time.
I don't think we signed him specifically for those moments. We signed him to help us. So when he comes in and he plays good, he's doing good. At this moment, he's doing good. For the past few games, he has been performing poorly, but recently he has improved. So I think, yes, right now he's helping us a lot, and we are grateful for that.
Again, we talked about Arsenal scoring a lot of goals despite kucheza venye wanataka. Tell us about the 100th Arsenal goal of the season and the 101. Hiyo bao ya Madueke na bao ya Enze.
Actually, Arsenal reaching 100 plus goals, it was a moment that we cannot take for granted, or a moment that we cannot just go without talking about, because everyone has been talking, saying that all we do is to defend, and now at least we trying to prove everyone that in as much as we are good defense wise, bado scoring, bado we are so clinical, na hiyo imeproviwa juu in Europe top 4 teams zenye zimefika 100 goals plus ni Man City, Arsenal, Barcelona and Bayern Munich. Hiyo inakuambia hiyo ilikuwa tu ya kuzima hizo critics za ati tumekuwa tu tukicheza game ya kubana. At least hiyo inaonyesha na in as much as we are playing a good game defensive wise, we still attacking and we are clinical, being able to reach 100 plus goals. Yeah.
We seemed to struggle against Mansfield.
Yeah. Sasa I think imefika point yenye saizi sitaki kublame maplayers sana juu ukiangalia Arsenal ni timu yenye imekuwa na games mingi sana kwa ligi. This season we've played so many games na at some point tutapata tu fatigue na accumulate, unapata unlike Manchester tuseme unapata wanacheza one game after 2 weeks. Sisi ni after every 3 days tuko na game, after every 3 days tuko na game. Na technically what we know about English football, hata hizo team ziko League 2, hata team yenye iko Championship, hizo team quality ya football iko juu. Na whenever unaanza team yenye iko average, na wao wana capitalize, wanakuwekea squad yote. So as long as you are playing with English teams, game zote zinakuwa ngumu juu approach yao inakuwa tofauti. We struggled but at the end of the day we managed to get through.
In other results, Man City iliweza kupiga Newcastle, Liverpool iliweza kupiga Wolves and others. Brentford na West Ham, it was a tight game. Edgar, tell us something about the draw of the FA Cup.
Yeah.
Everyone was talking about, hey, nani atapata Port Vale, nani atapata Port Vale. Then it was you at Stamford Bridge.
Yes, I think yeah, we got a good draw. We're drawing against Port Vale. So it was a good draw, given the what the other teams got. I think I think we were lucky enough to get a lesser side, for that matter. But we cannot discredit that. It will be a good game come that time. And also this FA Cup, I think we should try to win something this season. We should have a silverware. If it's not the FA Cup, then I don't think we should.
Yeah,
I think that's-
Rosini alisema lazima atashinda cup
Yes,
na atamaliza top 4.
yes, we should.
Now you are in two cups and you are in top 4 race.
Yeah.
So it's within reach.
Yeah, it's within reach. Everything is not lost. We are still there. We will fight till the end, and we believe in ourselves. I think we have a good team.
I will,
do that.
I will ask you about Man City versus Liverpool tie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
FA Cup, Man City.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's a good game. It will be a tight game also, and also depending on the results where Man City is at the moment, and the types of games that they will meet. I think it's going to be a good game, and also it depends with how the qualifications of these other teams will be like. So yeah, that one I can't call right now, but it will be a good game for both sides.
Ken, St. Mary's Park has not been a good hunting ground for Arsenal for some time. Kuna time Walcott alitufunga bao 2 juzi tu tukipoteza ligi.
Yeah.
So Southampton inakuanga sometimes a boji team to Arsenal.
I think trying to analyze that draw, we were lucky to get Southampton. In as much as we are not discrediting any team, we were lucky to get or rather to be drawn against Southampton, because in that list, Southampton and Port Vale are among the teams that are lowly ranked. So I think in that game we need to approach it with a lot of seriousness, because so far so good. We've maintained that run. We have 4 trophies that we are trying to challenge and see whether we can lift them. And I think having gotten that privilege of being matched with Soton, it's a good game. We will go there prepared mentally and physically. If we win, who knows, we might maybe get another team. Not sure whether it will be West Ham or Chelsea or maybe Man City or Liverpool, whoever will qualify there, and we might get maybe clinching another final, and it will be a plus to us, because we might end up getting 2 trophies or 3.
On the same, kuna hii Champions League, kuna game zilichezwa a day before today. Tottenham wanapatia debutant a debut kwa goalkeeper mwenye achaicheza in such a critical game away na Vicario ana injury.
I think even the coach admitted that was a mistake. That was a mistake. You don't start a 22-year-old goalkeeper in such a tight competition and he has never played. So I think what that coach was supposed to do ni kumintroduce hizi game tu za ligi pole pole before muintroduce kwa such competition. Ilikuwa game iko na pressure, iko juu na hakuweza kuhandle, na hizo bao zote 3 alikuwa aliparticipate like directly ama indirectly kwa Tottenham kuconcede.
5-2, is it game over?
Well,
over?
it's not over, because they can still reverse the results, but judging on how Madrid approached that game, I don't think Tottenham stand any chance, because Madrid can even decide to go there and play an open game. You score and we score. We see who will outscore. the other. So Madrid has an advantage, 3-0 advantage. Even if they happen to draw in the second leg, they will still qualify. So Madrid can decide either to go there and defend or to play open game. Whoever scores. Then they have +3 goals, which will be a plus to them. So for them, qualifying will be an easier task.
Edgar,
Yes.
3 English teams played yesterday night,
Yes.
but unfortunately none won. But hatusikii kelele. Is it because see Arsenal, see Chelsea, or 3 played but none won?
3. Newcastle, Tottenham, then
Liverpool.
Liverpool.
Yeah.
Yes, because Liverpool lost, they don't have a lot of us, so they cannot make a lot of noise. Yeah. I'm sure this week you've not met an Newcastle fan here, so you understand that. And also, Tottenham is just Tottenham. So, yes, we cannot make a lot of noise till the big teams play today. So I think by tomorrow there'll be a lot of noise.
Do you think Newcastle stand a chance against Barcelona?
They don't stand a chance against Barcelona, especially they are going at Camp Nou. They had a chance yesterday to capitalize on that, and I think if they were just clinical enough, they could have won with at least 2 to 3 goals yesterday.
Do you think Nani deserved a yellow that could have made to miss the return leg? Yamal.
Lamine Yamal.
Yeah, there was a time.
Yes, I saw the tackle.
He committed a yellow offense, but
Yes, it was. But it was not a bad tackle, except that just the crowd decided to react differently. So
he was to miss the second leg if he caught a second yellow.
yes, and also I think the referee was just trying to be fair at some point, because I don't think he made any bad decision in that game.
Na-
Yeah,
Pinpoint goals from Olise.
Olise. Yeah, Bayern. Bayern by the way is coming across to be a strong team in this competition.
6-1 win away.
Yes. You see, when you are winning six goals away in such competition, you have an upper hand of qualifying. So the Bayern, we can say they are one leg into quarterfinals, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, with that score only. So I think it's going to be a good game, and also Bayern, they have a strong team. Me, I believe that the ones who are going to win this.
They are
Champions
strong
League.
favorite.
Yes, they're my favorites to win this Champions League competition.
Tonight we have some fixtures. Madrid are hosting Man City. Arsenal are away to Bayern.
Yeah,
Chelsea are playing PSG.
yeah. I think Madrid will lose to City. Chelsea will beat PSG. That will be a tight game. Arsenal will win another game.
There's Bodo Clint playing
Glimt
against
and,
Sporting. Yeah.
Yes, but Glimt to win. Yeah.
Well, Ken, I want to ask you something. With these fixtures, now like Man City is playing today against Madrid away. They are playing West Ham on the weekend. Then they are playing the return leg of Madrid. Then they meet Arsenal in Carabao.
A lot of games, and I think these games will have an impact to how the team will perform, because that means we are going to see teams playing after every 3 days. That means that we are going to experience a lot of fatigue from players, and meaning that we have to face other teams that maybe are playing one game after every 7 days. Then I think the results will be affected.
Arsenal is also playing today against Bayern. They play home to Everton, then against Bayern, then Carabao final.
Yeah, very, very tough fixtures. That's why I said what we can do right now is to try tackle each game at a time, because all games are equally important. We have to win today against Leverkusen. And what I always tend to believe is that the more you win, the more you get that momentum of winning. So we must win today against Leverkusen. Then that will fuel us. That will fuel our motivation. Yeah, and we will face Everton with a lot of positivity. And if we at least can manage to win, to manage different competitions and see us winning like 3 to 4 games, then I think we will be good to go.
Well, we say it's never over until it's over. Now, assuming City win against the Madrid, home and away, the tie, then Arsenal win against Leverkusen, we will have an international break very soon. And after international break, City will be playing against Liverpool. Will be hosting Liverpool in FA Cup. Then thereafter, if they had qualified, watacheza na Bayern. Wakishacheza na Bayern, kama ni Bayern wataanzia Etihad. After hapo watacheza that weekend, watacheza na Chelsea kwa league. Then after hapo wataenda away to Bayern. Then from hapo watacheza na Arsenal kwa league. Same to Arsenal, kama watakuwa wamequalify, watacheza na Southampton at St Mary's Park, at St Mary's. Then midweek watacheza na, that is kama watakuwa wamequalify, watacheza na either Bournemouth ama Sporting away. From there watahost Bournemouth, then watacheza na same opponents at Emirates, then weekend wacheze na Man City. Hizo fixtures unaonaje?
I think we are at a point where now the two coaches ndo watadetermine venye team zao zitanini cause zita perform cause I think a lot of squad management sorry. No, I think right now squad management squad management will determine how the teams will perform because if you can be able to manage your players well, if you can be able to rotate your squad and see yourself winning games, I think it will be easier considering those games are too many. And I don't think that you can use the first 11 like to win you all the matches. You need to have a proper squad rotation, and you need to motivate your players to to try and put that good winning spirit because without that I think it will not be easy on either side.
Edgar, say something on those fixtures after international break.
After international break,
After that is the running to the Premier League. Like City will be hosting Liverpool in FA Cup. They play Bayern Munich. That is if they have qualified.
Yeah.
They play Chelsea.
Yeah.
You are fighting for top 4.
Yeah.
Then Bayern. Then Arsenal. We are both fighting for the league. Do you think it will have an impact for and between the two teams, who will be most affected?
I think both teams will be equally affected, given that they are in both competitions, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think here it comes down to the squad depth and also how you manage your players. So if one team will have favorable results at some point, I think they might rest some players with some other games and wait for the serious games ones. So I think it just be down to the squad management and the squad depth and how you rotate your players and whether your players are clinical enough to finish the chances that they get there. So yeah, it will be tight. But now that's the beauty of football, right?
Aya, quick one. Nataka unipatie tonight's prediction, Champions League predictions.
Tonight prediction. Na Arsenal.
Saa 2:45
Bayer
Leverkusen versus Arsenal.
Arsenal to win.
Kuna Chelsea wanacheza na PSG.
Draw or Chelsea win?
Man City away to Madrid.
City win.
Bordeaux versus Sporting.
Bordeaux.
Ken,
Yes.
your quick prediction.
We start with Arsenal versus Leverkusen. I see Arsenal winning that. Then we have Chelsea versus PSG. A very tight game. I see a draw there. Then we have Sporting versus Bordeaux. Unpopular opinion, I see Bordeaux Glimit losing against Sporting. So I see Sporting winning today. Then we have the last match is Madrid versus Man City. Man City will win. A slight win. Yeah.
And I want to thank you for accepting to be here with us. And to the viewers out there, we still hope and pray. Tuendelee kusubscribe, tuendelee kujengana pole pole, na Mungu awabariki.
Kasembeli TV to the world, to the world.